Now we'll see the software part of the project. Since we are going to code in Python language, we are using Python IDE. The further algorithm is divided into two parts. Part 1 is installation of dependencies and packages. In this part, we'll install different machine learning modules like TensorFlow, Keras, MobileNet, and OpenCV packages. The second part involves three steps: face mask detection and data gathering, training the recognizer, and finally the face recognition. So let's jump towards the first step. In the first step, we will create a dataset of 100 images of the face with both mask and without mask and give this to the training model so that the data can be pre-processed and the faces will be detected using pre-trained classifier. OpenCV already contains pre-trained classifier for faces. Also, we are going to use harcascade.xml file, which is a training file. We have to train the recognizer first, so we'll load the pickle file which contains a dictionary. Recognizer will predict the faces and classifier will detect the faces. In the following code, we have used machine learning model and the concept of CNN, which is convolutional neural network. From the following block diagram, it will be cleared how we implemented it. The third and the final phase is face mask detection. In this code, along with face mask detection, we have incorporated the relay condition so that the solenoidal lock will be open accordingly to the given condition. For that, we have imported the GPIO model of Raspberry Pi, which are the general purpose input output pinout, and we have assigned the pins accordingly. So let's check the output. So if mask detected condition is greater than mask not detected, then the label for mask detected will be executed and our door will unlock accordingly, since we are setting the pin high of the relay for it.